How to apply for a PNC Bank Credit Card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply for a PNC Bank Credit Card. So first thing, simply head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for pnc.com. And once you search in for that, you will be redirected to this page where you simply have to scroll down and browse the available cards or hover over to the credit card first in the menu. So just locate the credit card section and simply tap on that, and from over here you just have to click on apply now on the card that you want. So once you locate the card that you want, just click on apply now and it simply enter your personal details, income and contact information after following the on-screen instruction and review everything. Then finally hit the submit button at the bottom and you will get an instant decision in most cases if approved, and your card will arrive by mail in about 7 to 10 business days. You can also actually apply through PNC mobile app or by visiting a local branch. So I hope that video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.